go by the name, it's quite similar and it's quite confusing also. Like, what is the difference between Quick Insights and what is View Insights? And sometimes we end up thinking that they both are the same, but it's not actually. So let us look at the Quick Insight feature first. The Quick Insight feature is a feature of a data set. So suppose as a user, you have a data set and you want to create some visualizations on top of it, but you do not have, proper understanding of the data set and you do not know where to start with. So what you can do is you can take help from Power BI. Power BI can create, some of the visualization on top of that data set that Power BI think is useful. And then you can, use the visualization on your dashboard. So let us see how it works. So you go to your data set. I have, few data sets. So, this is my data set where I want to use the, Quick Insight feature. I click on this more options, and there's something called Get Quick Insight. So when I click on it, the Power BI is running the algorithm on top of the data set and it's trying to create some meaningful visualization. So let's see what it has created. You go to View Insight. So there are, some of the visualization that are being rendered here. There are some column charts, there are some line charts, some stack bars. So you just go through, each of them. And as a user, if you find any of these visualization helpful, then what you can do is you can go to this option which says Pin Visual, and you can pin this visual to any of the existing dashboard or create a new dashboard. Okay, so that was Quick Insight. So just remember that it is a feature of the data set and you can only use it on the data set. Now, there's also one thing that I want to explain here is that, just look at this data set. If I go here, I see that this Quick Insight feature is grayed out, it's disabled. But why is it so? So this is disabled because on this particular data set, there is a row level security that is being implemented. So remember that if there is a data set which has RLS implemented, then you won't be able to use this feature, just for the information. Okay, so that was Quick Insight. Now, what is View Insight? So View Insight is a feature of dashboard. Okay, so what View Insight does is, suppose you have a visualization on a dashboard and you want to dig a little deeper. You want to get some relevant details, and do some further analysis. Then this feature comes very handy. So let's see how it works. You go to your content and, I have few dashboards here. So I again click on this more options and, okay. Okay, sorry, I need to click on this dashboard first because it is a feature of the dashboard, but then it works on specific visualization. So on this dashboard, I have few visualizations. So suppose, on this visualization, I want to, dig deeper or do further analysis. So what can I do is I need to click this more option and say View Insights, okay? So when I click on it, it will open that particular visualization in focus mode. It would give me a glimpse of the filters that has already been applied. And along with that, it gives me some of the related visualizations. So some of the visualization that will give me in-depth information, on further analysis that I want to do. So here also, just as we saw in Quick Insights, if you want, to pin something on the dashboard, like if you find some visualization very useful to you, then what you can do is you can go here, use the pin option and say whether you want to pin it to an existing dashboard or a new dashboard. So let us just pin it to this particular dashboard itself. Okay, so this is already pinned. So now this is my dashboard. So earlier it had 4 visualizations, but now if you see there is this visualization added that I was able to find using the View Insight feature. Okay, so yeah, that's what I wanted to discuss today. So hopefully it is clear now. So just for the summarization, Quick Insight feature is a feature that works on dataset. It does not work on the dataset which has RLS implemented, which is row level security. View Insight feature is a feature of a dashboard. It does not work on the dashboard, but you have to open the dashboard, and it is basically a feature of a particular visualization on the dashboard. Thanks. Thanks for watching this.